In the heart of Baghdad, during the golden age of the Abbasid Caliphate, Caliph al-Mu'tasim sat upon his throne, ruling one of history's most powerful empires. But on this day, news would reach him that would shake the very foundations of his reign and lead to one of Islam's most celebrated military campaigns. A desperate cry had echoed across the empire, "Wa Mu'tasima!" The plea of a Muslim woman captured by Byzantine forces in the frontier city of Zibatra. The woman's cry, calling directly upon her caliph for help, would not go unanswered. Al-Mu'tasim, known for his military prowess and sense of honor, declared, "I am coming to your aid." The caliph assembled a mighty army of 80,000 men, with soldiers from across his vast domains. Turks, Arabs, and Persians marched together under the banner of Islam. Their destination was Amorium, one of Byzantium's most fortified cities and the birthplace of their ruling dynasty. Through scorching deserts and treacherous mountain passes, al-Mu'tasim led his army. He employed innovative tactics, marking the route with fire signals and arranging wells to be dug at regular intervals. Each soldier carried a goatskin of water and precise supplies, showing the remarkable organization of this massive force. When they reached Amorium's walls, they found a fortress that had never fallen to Muslim armies. Its thick walls and deep moats had repelled countless attacks, but al-Mu'tasim was determined. For 55 days the siege continued. Massive catapults hurled stones at the walls, while engineers worked to undermine the foundations. Finally, whether through divine providence or military genius, a breach was found in the walls. The Muslim army poured through, and Amorium, the pride of Byzantium, fell to the Abbasid forces. The woman who had cried out for help was freed, along with countless other prisoners. Al-Mu'tasim's victory at Amorium became legendary, not just for its military significance, but for what it represented: a caliph who would mobilize an entire empire to answer the cry of a single subject in distress. The conquest of Amorium stood as a testament to both the might and the honor of the Abbasid Caliphate, a reminder of a time when justice could triumph over seemingly insurmountable odds. To this day, the story of al-Mu'tasim and Amorium serves as a powerful symbol of leadership, determination, and the lengths to which one might go to answer a call for help, no matter how far or difficult the journey may be.